Does your Jeep sound like this? Hear the squeaking? Let's try to fix it. This is a 99 Jeep Cherokee Sport. And a lot of times they think that it's the belt making the squeaking noise, but it's not. It's actually the AC compressor. So you can actually just very simply take some PB Blaster and just give it a little shot here. Soak it down real good, and then fire it up and let it work through, and the squeak should go away. Don't over tighten your belt. Sounds pretty good now. No more squeak. Now, if you do need to tighten your belt, there's 2 bolts that you need to loosen and or tighten, depending on what you need to do. So you need a 15mm wrench, and I like the ratcheting kind because you can get it on there, and you loosen this pulley right here, and then you can get yourself a 15mm socket, and this one has the little wobble extension on it, which is really nice. And then also, you know, it's always nice to have these. You can get these at Harbor Freight for really cheap, and then you can kind of get in here a lot easier and kind of get at the angle that you need to get at if you want. So yeah, you just loosen that pulley there, and then you can tighten or loosen your belt, and then all you do is tighten that pulley back up again, and away you go, and that should take care of your belt. So if your belt's too tight, you can loosen it. If your belt is too loose, you can tighten it. So hopefully that takes care of any of your problems. You can hear the compressor just popped on. The PB Blaster has sat for a while, and it's really worked through everything. So now I had the AC switch on max when I started it, no squeak on startup, and now you can hear all of that has gone away.